Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to give you the best site that will enable you to make over $20 in a day. I'm going to give you step by step on how to start earning on this site. Watch until the end so that you can start working while at home. No investment, no hidden fees, absolutely free, just your skills. Okay, the site is called talentdesire.com. So Talent Desire is a site that will enable you to go to your suitable skill job, apply for it, submit your test job, get interviewed, then you are hired. The moment you are hired, you will be sent tasks on your dashboard and to your email so that you start working on them as you get paid. Alright, now I'm just going to give you simple steps that you need so that you can start working on this site. One, I'll take you through the requirements. What are the requirements? One, you should be having a strong internet connection. Two, you should be having a PC, that's a laptop or a desktop. Three, you should be having a webcam, because there may be some tasks that the clients will want to see you. You'll have to communicate to Skype, so you'll need a webcam. Then you will need skills. If for instance you are choosing a writing job, then you should be having those typing skills. You should be type faster, and accuracy will determine your pay. You should be accurate. So you'll just navigate to the site talentdesire.com, go to current openings, select the job of your choice, submit the application form, wait for a test task. After finishing a test task, you'll be called for an interview. So for instance here, you can check on the current openings, the current vacancies at Talent Desire. So you will have to choose the job that you love, something that you're interested doing while just seated at home on your laptop or on your desktop, and start performing the tasks. There are some tasks that you can perform via phone, like surveys. You can perform them via a phone. So we have online typing jobs. You can see you can make $60 to $120 per day. That means depending on your speed and accuracy, the higher your speed and accuracy are, then you'll be earning maximum. That's online typing. Then we have medical transcription jobs. We have online tutoring jobs. If you have something to teach, so you can be teaching people and then you paid online. There are several jobs. So for instance, if you are a writer, we have even academic writings. We have what? So you choose the job of your choice, you select it, then you submit you go to application form, you submit your application, then once it's reviewed, you will be sent a test task, then you will be called for an interview. After the interview, you are hired, and then you start working right away. Don't lose it. It's a noble opportunity that you need to focus on, and it will help you to make money without any investment. Just invest your brain, invest your skills. Remember to like, subscribe, comment and share. If you have inquiries concerning talentdesire.com, just reach our contact details are in the this video's description. You can reach us. Thank you. See you.